Hello class, so let's start part 9. This is last part of our this chapter motion. So in previous part we have studied about uniform circular motion. So one question is here on that topic. An artificial satellite is moving in a circular orbit of radius 42,250 kilometers. Calculate its speed if it takes 24 hours to revolve around the earth. So what is given here? Radius is given. In around which artificial satellite is moving. Calculate its speed if it takes 24 hours, means time is given to revolve around the earth. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate its speed. So option is given here, A, B, C, D. Let's see. Distance covered by the satellite in 24 hours. Distance we know, I have told you that if we have to on a we are calculating distance of uniform circular motion, the distance will be 2 pi r above is equal to its circumference. The 2 pi, the value of pi is 3.14 and r is radius is given 42,250. So total it is coming to 265,464.58 kilometers its distance. Therefore speed of satellite, speed is v is equal to time taken into distance traveled. Time taken into distance travel. So time is our 24 hours, so we are just converting it into seconds. So 24 into 60 minute into 60 seconds. So we are getting in second, and into distance travel, whatever distance we have got, we will multiply with that. So our answer is coming 3.07 kilometer second. So option is correct option is A, 3.07 kilometer per second. More questions are there. A question is, can a body have zero velocity and still be accelerating? If yes, give situation. So here, yes, a body can have acceleration without a velocity. How come? Example, when a body is projected vertically upward, so at highest point v will be 0, but direction is towards the earth. So here we say the vertically upward with some velocity, then it reaches a certain height. At the maximum height, the velocity of the body is 0, but its acceleration is towards the center of the earth. So for turning at some instantaneously, its velocity will be 0 at the highest point, and there, but acceleration is towards the center of the earth due to gravity. So this is our answer. Question number 2, give one type of motion where distance and displacement are same. Where distance and displacement are same. So if a body will go a straight line motion, so here distance covered by the body and displacement covered by the body will be same. Means body will not turn here and there, it will perform a straight line motion. Next, is it possible to stop a fast moving automobile instantaneously? Why? Answer, no, it is not possible, because the automobile will obviously take some time to stop and acquire its final velocity. So these are our some questions. For quick revision, you know that about some points, terms like state of rest, when body is not changing its position. State of motion, a body is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to a fixed point taken as a reference point in its surrounding with the passage of time. Types of motion we have explained. Mechanics, what is mechanics? The branch of physics which deals with the study of motion of objects and their response to force is called mechanics. Scalar quantity, vector quantity, I have told you, with the direction, where magnitude and direction will be there, it's called vector quantity, and scalar quantity when there is only magnitude. Distance traveled by the body, displacement, uniform motion, these all we have discussed already. Speed, average speed, velocity, uniform velocity. So these are the some key words in this chapter. Now rest, whatever is there confusion, you can ask freely. Thank you.